Wait a second. So, Vaughn, can you tell me what we're doing exactly?
On the package it says, we blow up shit legally.
Well, what a great thing for Memorial Day. We'll commemorate parades, planes, skydivers, visiting your local cemetery. We, however, are going to blow stuff up. I'm going to go take a look at the...
Well, go tell John and Elaine to get back here then.
You guys ready?
Just a second. I'm taking a little video of what's being blown up.
I have my camera right there.
Here we are in Lowry City, Missouri. As you can see here, we have this atomic explosive attached to this bathtub. As you can see, ordinary bathtub, no gimmicks. Just your run-of-the-mill white trash bathtub in somebody's yard with like this atomic nuclear C4 duct taped to it. As you can see, there is Vaughn. There's the gallery tucked behind the pickup. Okay, I'm gonna.
Right over here, they're behind the truck. You want them over there? Alright, I'll look over there.
It'd be better, guys. And then, John, you're coming over here? I gotta get the artistic shot here.
Walk right in front of the rifle.
That's okay. This is, hey, anything for news. Okay.
Wait a minute. We ain't quite.
That's okay, it'll be fine.
Alright, John. I need bullets.
440 seconds is quite a while.
I know it was a joke. Surely you can get.
I think you can get the shot, but don't call him Shirley.
Alrighty.
Where are your earplugs?
What earplugs?
Earplugs.
John,
I don't have earplugs.
we're good.
Open them.
Is it on? Fire?
Hit the tape.
Ready?
Shoot
Whenever
a
you
little
are.
bit low. Not much.
I'd say it worked.
You didn't have to.
Okay, it's not loaded, right?
No, it's not.
How'd you go zoom in? I'm gonna beat you to it.
Yeah, they're going to be like throwing up when they're watching your video.
No, they're not.
Who's going to be throwing up?
Whoever's gonna watch my video. That was loud. I think I'm deaf. It's like National Lampoon's Vacation. I think she's deaf.
Clark, I think she's...
I think I got it. Holy frijoles.
There it is.
You even dented it.
There's the nuclear reaction.
Here we go. You hear it cracking?
Yeah.
There you go.
One shot.
Yep. One shot, one
See it,
kill.
let me
Ted
see
would
it.
be proud.
John, how did it feel when you shot that?
Felt like wrinkle.
Did you have to take into... It's a little breezy out here. Did you feel like you had to take into consideration...
Well, it's such an amazing firearm. I didn't really have to take consideration with the wind.
That was 1/4 pound.
1/4 pound of nuclear explosive. There it is, from the bottom, from where the shot was fired.
Is that a cast iron tub?
No.
Well, it's a metal tub.
Isn't that something? It's a Memorial Day miracle. I gotta do the closing artistic pan shot.